and my first reflective journal will be about the theater industry, and more specific, the musical industry. Musicals are my favorite type of live performance, and I have been to many musicals such as The Lion King, and most recently I went to Les Miserables in Sydney during the Easter break. The reason why I like musicals so much is the atmosphere in the theater. The venue for musicals is often in very beautiful buildings. In Sydney, it took place in the Capitol. The venue has comfortable, luxurious seats and dimmed lighting. This creates an anticipation for me. There are employees showing you to your seats, and the guests are often well dressed for the occasion. They are selling drinks and snacks before the show so that the guests can mingle before if they would like to. And there is merchandise to purchase, for example, the program for the show. I was very impressed with the cast for the musical. I believe that musicals never get boring. You watch the show all the time. There is no time for checking your Facebook or anything like that. Theater is called the performing arts, and it is dramatic in nature. The industry has expanded the recent years, partly because of incomes have risen, so more people can afford to go and treat themselves with a good musical. They are starting to target younger audiences, and they have greater government funding. Some key factors to success are being located near to key markets and effective product promotion. The Capitol is located right next to Central Station in Sydney, which is very central, and there are billboards of the show all over town. There is very much preparation before a musical can start running: production scheduling and meetings, the design process and rehearsals. Everything from the lighting to the dancers must be coordinated, and the cast at Les Miserables succeed very well with this. It felt professional. They must also plan the programs and merchandise for sale, like t-shirts and posters. This creates a stronger brand. From analyzing the musical industry, I have learned that there is a lot of preparation needed. And I used to believe that musicals were boring and for older people, but now I realize that more and more younger people appreciate this form of entertainment. And I do believe that going to a musical never can be replaced by technology. You just can't create that kind of atmosphere anywhere else.